Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I will do a refill from solid gel that I used from Born Pretty, and I will do a refill with rubber base and change the shape to stiletto. You can see that here I have a curve type of nail. Now I will do it in stiletto. These nails I have them for 3 weeks. If you like my channel, just follow, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know when I'm posting videos. If you want to order any of the items that are in the video, you can check the link in the description below. I wanted to show you first how this is the solid gel that I used on this pointer, and I did it. This is the perfect way to do it. This was after I tried many times and I tried with you in the video. Just wanted to show you how it's looking when it is the right amount used and the right method. So I will start by filing off this gel polish. I used my drill bit at 26,000 RPM. Please don't get confused. My machine is working up to 35,000 speed, but it is okay for me to use it at 26,000 RPM to remove the gel. Normally, with machines, you can use by 15,000, 20,000, depending on how comfortable you are with using the drill bit. So I will use the ceramic bit, medium grit, 26,000 RPM speed in forward motion. And the removal is simple. It's a very simple process. You just have to remove every gel polish, and I think I'm showing it in many of my videos how I do the removal. You can see the movements. You can see if I'm doing it on right hand or on left hand, what types of movements I'm using, because there are different movements. I'm trying to remove every lifting. What can I say now about this solid gel? My first impression is very hard. It's not easy to be taken off, to be removed. But this is a good thing because it's lasting. It's lasting until your next manicure, which is a very good thing. So I'm removing now any lifting, which this lifting was caused because I was placing the gel too much on the cuticle area. I was kind of going overboard with it. You can see, I will link the video somewhere here, how I did this manicure, this nail set that I'm removing it now, and was my first time using solid gel. And as I've said in many of my videos, I'm using first time many products on camera with you. So sometimes I might not know how to use them properly, or I'm also in a learning phase, but I'm giving you information from what I'm learning and from what I'm experiencing with products. And this gel polish is as well from Born Pretty. All the items are in the description below. There are in the links that you can find them in the description. All the links are affiliate programs. If you are buying through these links, I'm receiving a commission. As well, any items that I'm using, nail tools, you can find them in my Amazon storefront. I'm pushing now the cuticles. The cuticles, I'm using this cuticle pusher, pushing them as far as I can to remove them from the nail plate and to prevent lifting for next manicure. This part is kind of optional. You can use the drill bit, which for sure I will use it after that. But I like to remove them with the pusher. Sometimes I'm removing them with the drill bit directly, but it's depending on the mood. So I'm using now the cuticle drill bit, and When I'm using the drill bit on my left hand, I use the machine in reverse motion, if you are seeing. As well, for the speed, the normal speed, you should use 4000, 3000, 5000 RPM speed. On my machine, I'm using 10,000 or 12,000, but don't do this in any other machine if you are not having the same machine that I'm having. And I'm removing everything that is, cuticle that is on the nail plate, and I'm lifting it up, so I will prepare it to trimming. This is a close-up, and I think it's much better for you to see this part. You see how it's lifting off. This drill bit is, everything is lifting it off and is making it easier for me to trim the cuticles. This dusting off between cleaning the cuticles, it is a must, because like this you can see if there is anything still stuck on the nail plate and you have to use your drill bit. So try to dust off as much as possible and as often as possible. Now I will use another cuticle bit to just trim the cuticles. I'm trying. I like sometimes to use two cuticle bits. Sometimes I want to just remove more from the cuticles, or I just want to try another method, if it's working or not. Sometimes it's working, sometimes not. I think nails are having as well moods. And here I think I'm using it too much and some blood will come out. You have to be very careful and gentle when you are using drill bits near cuticle areas, eponicule, because it's a sensitive area. As you can see, is more blood function there, so it will come blood immediately. Now I'm using the Stalex cuticle scissor to remove the cuticles for sure. And a little bit of blood is there, yes. It is fine. It's mine. I'm using some isopropyl alcohol to remove that blood there and continue to trim the nails. I think the video is self-explanatory, so you don't need for me to talk all over. I will add some music for sure. And this is it with cuticles. I think they are looking fine. Now I will start the process of refilling. So I'm using the bond. Normally the bond you have to apply it only where is natural nail. So I'm not going until end of the nail, until the tip. I'm just applying where is natural nail. Keep in mind that bond, I think, goes without saying, but if it's your first time watching videos for nails, bond, it is applied a thin layer and doesn't need to be cured in the LED lamp, okay? And after that, you are applying the base coat. The base coat, you have to cure it for 30 seconds or 60 seconds in the UV LED lamp. I'm using the rubber base from M-Share. And how I'm using it is that I'm applying first a layer, a thin layer, and after that a big drop. And that drop I'm spreading it over the nail in equal way. It will self-level and will create a little bit of strength. This is what I did with rubber base. I showed you only on one nail. Now, because the rubber base is sticky, I will apply another base coat just to remove that stickiness of the rubber base. If I don't do my nails immediately, I don't continue with doing my nails immediately, I prefer this method. And when I'm using the isopropyl alcohol, it will remove the sticky layer immediately. So this is how it's looking, and this is a refill and prep of nails with rubber base. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like my channel, please follow, subscribe, and check my other videos as well. Check my TikTok account, beautifulforlove.nails, and if you want to order anything from the products that you saw in the video, you can check the links in the description below. I wish you a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.